Hi Tigers, it's Mrs. McCarver and it's time for today's math lesson. Today you're going to need to find something before we can get started. You're going to need the cubes or the counters from your supply bag. So if you need to push pause, go get one of those objects and then come back to push play. So now that you're ready, I'm going to use my cubes. We're going to look at some objects today. We're going to practice counting and trying to answer the question, how many? And then your job is going to be to show me that same number using your cubes or your counters. So once we count something, your job is going to be to build a group that's the same size or has the same amount. So here we go. Please count the triangles. I would like you to answer the question, how many triangles are there? Okay, now that you have your answer, use your cubes or your counters to build a group that is the same size, that has the same number as the triangles. If you need to pause the video for more time, you can do that. Let's see what this might look like. I'm going to show you how I would count the triangles. I'm going to use my red pointer like I would my finger. Maybe you pointed to the screen when you were counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if Mrs. McCarver asked you how many triangles are there are 6 triangles. Now you're going to use your cubes or counters to build a set of the same number. Remember, there were 6 triangles, so I need to get 6 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many cubes? 6. I made a group or a set that is the same as what you see on the screen. Let's try another one. How many red circles do you see? How many? Okay, now use your cubes or your counters to build a set that's the same size, has the same number. Let's check to see if we're right. If you need more time, you can push pause. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many circles are there? 10. Now let's build a set of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There were 10 red circles, so now I have 10 cubes. Here comes another one. How many purple rectangles do you see? That was pretty easy, wasn't it? You might have been able to know how many there were without even counting. Now, can you build a set that matches? Let's check. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many purple rectangles? 4. Let's build a set that matches. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many cubes? 4. How many rectangles? 4. All right, I have one more for us to practice together. How many white clouds do you see? Okay, how many? Now can you build a set that matches? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many clouds? 8. Let's build a set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 cubes and there are 8 clouds. Great job with your counting today and building sets.